Meeting production targets and delivering orders on time has always been a challenge. Inefficiencies happen no matter how well you plan, and soon your sewing line is out of balance. Missing workers here and operators waiting for work there, and the tracking board does not tell you the delay. So what if you could recalculate your sewing line on the fly, just by using your smartphone? I wanted to give industrial engineers an app that would instantly recalculate the number of workers needed for each operation, based on current output and performance. An app that could be set up in minutes and used by engineers and operators across the factory. And then say goodbye to overstaffing and understaffing. And here it is. Check it out.